Yo, what is up, guys? So, today is Tuesday. I took a trade on Monday, but I didn't post the video, so that's kind of on me. Why I didn't post it is I was feeling pretty tired and I didn't feel like posting or making the video. The trade was also really, really bad. That's why is also like another factor why I didn't want to make a video about it, but still, today I'm making it. And also recapping today's video, trade. So, coming in Monday, right? Let's look on Monday. Monday, I was looking pretty bearish. Why was we got this respect of this candle, and like the higher time frame was telling me we were pretty bearish. Why was because we also respected a bearish value gap, which was this candle, which was this. We respected that candle. I was anticipating that we could move lower from there, and like price had all the reason for me to go move lower. So in that sense, it was not crazy for me to say I was gonna look for like lower price. Why as well was maybe we had like this place right here where we could trade towards to. Uh, yeah, in that sense, in my eyes, it was not a crazy short. But what happened eventually was that market opened. I think this is market. Yeah, we displaced lower, but this candle was so bullish that I could have waited with my entry. So when did I take this entry? I think I took it like with these fair value gaps. I think I just drew it from the whole thing. Took it from somewhere here. Stop on this high. I'm not sure if I even took this. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if I took this, but I took something in the lines of this. Actually, I took it from these gaps. Oh no, actually, I took it from those. And then yeah, price just ran straight. Not like straight, but like price ran my stop loss. So what I did wrong in that trade was that I didn't have like a clear draw where I wanted to be trading short towards to, right? I knew I had shorts, but to where? Because on the 15-minute, time was pretty 30-minute. On the 30-minute, price is pretty balanced, in my opinion. Like you could say we could trade to here, but then we would need to see a big flush, which we did not get. Right off market open, we sweep London low. What do we get? An instant reversal. This should have told me, respecting these gaps, that should have told me price is probably heading bullish. And I should not be taking a short as a limit. I should wait for what is price going to show me and then take action from there. So that was a really bad trade on my part. And then I also made a sort like how do I say this? A checklist for myself on what I want to exactly be trading from now on. So coming in today, I was looking pretty bullish. Why was because we pretty much inversed the daily gap from yesterday, and from now on I was looking pretty bullish. Why? We could see a retracement higher. That retracement could have been in this gap right here, this 4-hour gap that I marked out, which was my draw for this whole day. But like, yeah, that was basically my draw. So I was anticipating us to move towards at least this 4-hour gap. So which trade do I eventually end up taking? So let's just get to the trading plan that I marked out for myself. So what do I want to see with my trading plan? So basically, I'm trading a retracement. Actually, no, I'm not trading a retracement, but like I'm taking my entry when the retracement happens. So basically, this is the trend. I'm taking my entry in this leg so I can capitalize of this leg. So where do I see that retracement happening, right? I was for myself looking and I saw this pretty much as a really good zone to look for a retracement. Why? Is because we had Asia low right here. This was my Asia low. I wanted this to get swept. And to where can we... Yeah, I wanted that to get swept. And we had some imbalances within there as well. So with those things in mind, I was looking pretty much for at least a sweep lower, and then I would like pretty much take my entry to move higher. Why? Is because I had this draw as well. I was anticipating price to tap this 4-hour. Why I was anticipating that is because price inversed a daily fair value gap yesterday, showed really bullish price action, meaning one of two things: either we're gonna reverse and go for these all-time highs, or two, we're just looking for a higher retracement to find sellers again. And where are those sellers? In my eyes, it was this 4-hour fair value gap. So yeah, What eventually happens, price, bro. Price was so weird today. So price opens, but like these candles were really strange. Price has not opened yet. So price opens right around here, but like as you can see, these wicks are not optimal. Price moved pretty weird. Like price was really choppy, but still we did do what I wanted to see. We swept Asia low, filled these gaps, and then took my entry around there. So yeah, I took my entry around there. Yeah, and then eventually my target was which is a 1 to 2 RR, but I was anticipating us to at least reach this 4 hour gap. So what happens? We eventually fail to hit my TP, and I get stopped out right here, which is pretty annoying. But yeah, it is what it is, because overall it was a pretty good setup in my eyes. What could I have done better eventually was that I knew one, price was really kind of moving really weird and not really volatile as I wanted it to be. So with that thing in mind, like I could have given myself the opportunity to not make my stop loss as large as I did today. Oh, why? It's because price moved pretty slow, right? And like we only swept this. With that in mind, I could have just told myself, okay, I'm not saying it's like bad, but like I could have told myself, okay, I can put the stop loss on the wick instead of the body, and then I would have taken probably a nice. Then I would have probably got a hit at TP. So that's one thing I could have done. The second thing was also just yeah, I think just putting at the body would have been a pretty solid thing. So yeah, looking back on it, that's the only thing I could have done better. For the rest, I'm like completely happy with the trade I took. It was a really good trade I took, and yeah, because I caught the retracement and then I got the continuation higher. So overall, I'm really happy about this trade. Only sad thing is that it didn't play out, or like at least I could have like how say this? Be more aware of the situation where a market was trading within, and then adapted to it. So in that part, I didn't really. That's the only thing that I could say I could have done better today. More than that, I would say I didn't. More than that, I don't know what I can do else. Another thing is that I've been in a really bad losing streak the couple days. So yeah, that's a new thing. The losing streak is pretty annoying, as you guys can. Oh, this is my practice account. What the hell is this? So this is my account. Pretty rough month as it is. Yeah, I'm risking $200 on a trade. So yeah, we're currently on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading day losing streak. Am I too concerned? Am I feeling it? Yes. Is it gonna impact my trading? No. Why? Is because I know what I'm trading. I know that I'm capable of taking good trades. As like today was a good trade. Only thing that I could have done better was like price was weird. So price decided to not do what I wanted it to do. Further than that, I'm not too afraid. Yeah, I am afraid about it. Like I know I'm a good trader, but like it just mentally taking losses, that it's a mental thing. I know that the only thing I control is whether I'm taking good or bad trade. That's the only thing I can control. But I do actually feel that, okay, how is this trade gonna play out and that type of stuff. But still, I'm not letting that affect me that much. As in, like I'm not gonna take bad trades, but I'm gonna be doing the best as I can and still be taking good trades. So, yeah, overall, it's just a losing streak. Only thing I gotta do is just keep going, to be taking good executions like I did today, and the wins are gonna be coming back. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something about today. I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow probably. At least I'm not gonna be trading New York Open. Might be trading PM, but I'll still have to see if I actually am or not. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.